In this short tutorial, you will learn how to check the total call time on your Android device. This feature is handy for those who want to keep track of their phone usage or monitor their call duration. By following a few simple steps, you can easily find out the cumulative time spent on calls. To get started, open up the phone app on your Android device, and then tap on the Recents tab at the bottom. After that, tap on these three little dots on the right. Tap Total Call Time. Now you will be able to see the total call time for the most recent calls, outgoing voice calls, and incoming voice calls. And finally, the total call time for all calls. You can also clear this total call time information by tapping Reset. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.